इस दुनिया में ऐसी बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो अपने आप में अनोखी हैं, बेजोड़ हैं, अनुपम हैं, अपूर्व हैं। ऐसी ही एक रहस्यमयी कहानी जो कि 7 नंबर से जुड़ी हुई है, जिससे आप अनजान हैं, आज उसको आप सुनेंगे मेरी ज़ुबानी। अगर आप इस रहस्यमयी कहानी को जानना चाहते हैं तो मेरा वीडियो अंत तक देखें। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक ज़रूर करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
So let's get started with the video. The very first point is that the human neck has 7 vertebrae, as you can see in the picture. The second thing is the human skin has 7 layers. The third thing, there are 7 oceans. The fourth thing, in Hindu weddings, the bride and the groom, they walk around the holy fire 7 times during the wedding ceremony. They take 7 vows and promise each other that they will live together for 7 lives. According to Hinduism, there are 7 worlds in the universe. There are 7 seas in the world, and there are 7 rishis that are called as Sapta Rishis.
Now, some of you must be feeling what's new in this. We already know this. But yes, the mystery of 7 still remains hidden. So, if you watch my video till the end, you will surely know about the mystery of 7. So, proceeding further, we have 7 wonders of the world, and all of you know it very well. But there's a small twist. I would like all those who are watching, if they remember the names of the 7 wonders of the world. If you do so, please comment in the comment section. Let me check out if you still remember them nicely. Now, all of you have seen the dice, and there is an interesting fact that if you do the sum of opposite faces of the numbers written on dice, they always sum up to 7. Isn't it interesting? So my dear children, when the next time you play Ludo, please do the counting whether the opposite faces sum up to 7 or no. Now you have read the Roman numbers in maths, and the Roman number system is also made up of 7 alphabets, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. We all are so much passionate about music, and I think you must be knowing that let it be any kind of music, it is made up of 7 surs only. If I talk about fairy tales, I hope all of you must have read number of fairy tales, but yes, this 7 number reminds me of a great story, and that is a fairy tale, The Snow White and 7 Dwarfs. Now, the name of the dwarfs were very interesting: Sneezy, Sleepy, Grumpy, Dopey, Happy, Dog and Bashful. Now here comes the most awaited story, that is the story of 7 days. Now you must be wondering, what do I mean by this, the creation story, and what is the story behind 7 days? So my dear, let me tell you, I am going to tell you the creation story of God, and that too day to day, and he took 7 days to create. So this is the mystery, and I'll tell you about each and every day what exactly happened. So let's unreveal the story, and let's just quickly rush with day 1. So day 1, God created light and separated the light from the darkness. He called light as day and the darkness as night. So this is how day and night were created by God on day 1. Day 2. Day 2, God created an expanse to separate the water and called it sky. So this is how day 2 sky was created. Day 3. God created the dry ground and gathered the waters, calling the dry ground as land and the gathered waters as seas. He also created vegetation. So this is how land and sea was created on the 3rd day. Day 4. God created the sun, the moon and the stars to give light to the earth and to govern and separate the day and night. This is how seasons were also created. Now, coming to day 5, God created every living creature of the seas and every winged, blessing them to multiply and fill the waters in the sky with life. So, day 5, God created the creatures that would live in seas and He created birds. So, the next is day 6. Day 6, God created animals to fill the earth. He created Adam and Eve also the same day. So it was the very sixth day when God created us human beings and animals on this earth. So this was the story of the creation of God. But yes, you must be wondering, I have told you about only 6 days. Then what exactly happened on the seventh day? The seventh day God took as a rest day, and God had finished His work of creation. So He rested on the seventh day, blessing it and making holy. Now you must be really wondering why God would require to rest, but apparently He considered it important. Rest is often an unfamiliar concept in our busy, fast paced life. God knows we need time of refreshing. The rest of God on the seventh day sets an example for how we ought to spend and enjoy a regular day of rest from our services. So, this was the creation story that God made the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh day. It is in context to Bible. Some of you may believe and some of you don't. It is totally your wish. Just keep on watching my videos. Do like, share, and subscribe.